Hello guys, welcome back. So I want to use this medium to welcome you to Learn with inCrafts, and in this video I'm just going to be talking about some basic things you need to know before we start. First, what is Learn with inCrafts? Second, what platform are we using? And third, how to navigate on the platform we are using, and what are the features and functions that you are going to need. I don't want this to get too confused because Discord is a very, I think I've exposed the platform now. We are using Discord, and Discord is a very powerful platform, and I don't think a lot of Nigerians are really familiar with that. So let's get to the first thing on the list. So what is Learn with inCrafts? So over the years, I discovered I've learned a lot of things I'm willing to share, and it's not really just because I want to, start just want to be teaching or want to just try to have something good to say. Not no no. The reason is because I've learned a lot of things. I've seen what works and I've seen what does not work, which people still practice. And to be real now, to be successful in this digital space is not really that hard as we think. As we are humans, we think something should be always be complicated. But the fact is just that having the right knowledge will produce you the base. So that's just a summary of what the plan of this program is being built on. Learn with SK Craft is an online academy that train people, educate, impart young professionals to be the best and to be the qualified professional. What do I mean by the qualified professional? You know that as we move on. There's a way to get a job and there's a way to be in the job. There's a way to there's a strategy behind getting a job, and there's also a strategy of being the qualified person for the job as time goes on. So we are going to cover a lot of things, and basically I will be teaching video editing for the start of this program. So first thing, I'd like to go ahead to the server. I know a lot of people are already there already. Sorry, a lot of people are already there. So we do not have the same knowledge or the same background. We do not have the same source of information. So I think going through everything will be beneficial for those that are not really that are new to Discord. So now we have announcement channel. So this is the announcement channel whereby we'll be posting announcements. What are announcements? Things that you need to know about the program. So that's just the smart definition I can give it. So we have the rules, and the rules is where I'll be posting rules, and I don't think we have a lot of rules like that. Just the constant rule, and just as truth does not get old. We just discover, I just still discovering it. So we have the rules, and the rule is going to remain the same, probably be modified over time. But this is where you are going to be seeing the rules of the program, and you cannot really reply to this. You can only, you don't have the features to reply, but you can always come here and read. So we have the information. Information contains about mission, vision, and goals of the program. So you can always see that here. So we have the general discussion. We have the general discussion category whereby we have the general chats. I know some people have been making some fun here. So I love that, and I want to use this medium to appreciate you guys for your support and acknowledgement of the program. So you can, my best advice for you using this this channel to the best is just by networking with others, and that's the most powerful part of it. Network with people here, and probably you might meet up being a business partner. That's the power of networking. So we have shield ground. Shield ground, I just paste it there. I just want some people, some people may want to make some fun, so you have chance to post things that you have chance to post funny stuff here. Sometimes you might want to put a smile on someone's face. So you have the privilege to do it here. So you have the question. Question are things that are burning in your mind, things you want to ask about the program. If you have all other things that you like to ask, which is not really about the program, probably what you're facing in a job opportunities, or what would I say, or just to get some problem solved, you can do that in the general chat. So you have self-introduction. I recommend everyone come here, and it is a must. Sorry, it is a must, but I recommend everyone come here, introduce yourself, let us know your name, let us know your experience over the years. And now this is where we are. I think this is the most important part of this video, where we have the video editing class. So on this video editing class, I can start a. This is where we are going to be having our class, and here I can share my screen just as you Google Meet, Zoom, and all that. You can share your screen to teach. So this is where we are using, and this is where we are going to be using. And I want you to just view this platform very decent, clean, and perfect for this program. So I'm just going to end the call. So we have the graphics. So if I click on it, it's going to go to the graphic design stream, where I can stream the tutorial. You have other trainings and all of that. I'd like to end the call also. Alright, so we have this section feedback. What do you think about the last class? You can always put that here. I don't want this video to be too long. We have the session schedule. So this is the place I'm going to I'm giving you announcements, just as an announcement, but this is just basically for the next or the upcoming section you'll be having. So we have new events and all about that. So I'd like to end that. Sorry about that. So we have job posting. I've posted some few jobs here: graphic design, and I think some people have made use of it, and I've not gotten feedback yet. But just make sure any job I post here, I've already verified it in terms of being a remote job, or yes, a remote job. That's a priority. A remote job. I must post a remote job, because I don't think a lot of people are willing to relocate. And if you are really willing to relocate, just let me know. But here I'll be posting remote jobs. You can just go on Indeed or LinkedIn, you have Jobber Man, and look for job. But I can do the stress for you by posting only remote jobs here. So we have the editing skits, whereby I will be showing you some editing skits. Probably I want to gift you some templates, some motion graphics you can use in your videos. So this is where I'll be posting it. Probably that's all about this video, and I'm really glad this program is starting up. I'm really glad, and I want to share my encouragement to you. If you can start this program with an open heart, know that this is what you want to do, and be intentional about what you want to learn, and make sure you do all your best to meet up with the class. Don't give excuse about this is why I don't join the class. There's always a way. As you're starting this program, make sure you eradicate every form of excuses in your life. Finally in your life. Just use this channel, this program, as a medium of building yourself to stay out of excuses. I always think excuses does not worth saying. My boss know me. I always tell him when I just probably mess up in some areas. I always tell him that so I have no excuse. Not because I don't have excuse. I have excuses that I can take, very valid excuse. But I've made up my mind to the point that I will tell him that the excuse is not worth saying. So I would rather say I have no excuse. So I discovered that in every form, in everything you want to do, there is always a way out. It's just for you to look beyond what you want to do. Like what you want to is about the art. Really, it's about the art. So I want you to make use of the opportunity, make use of it very well, follow it with an open mind, and you are going to see how it will turn out for you.